This is a bee, butterfly, insect, little critter watering bowl. Super easy to make. All you need is shallow is a little better type of container. This is actually a beautiful pottery plate that broke, darn it, but perfect for this. I just put a couple of cones underneath the edge up here you can see critters are coming in to drink even as I'm filming this, but to tilt it so that it retains some water. Put a nice thick layer of moss, and I've got some stones here and some pieces of terracotta. That terracotta coming from the pots that so many of my plants are in the herb garden here, that just flake off once those very saturated clay pores freeze in the winter. And then, of course, when that water expands into the ice, it just cracks and makes fragments coming off. And then make sure you put enough water in there so that the moss is covered, because it actually holds the water for a little bit longer. Doesn't let it dry out quite so quickly. And make sure that your pieces are not all submerged. So yeah, the rock's submerged, there's a little bit there, but this piece they can land, because the bees, butterflies, critters, they will land on the edge of the bowl or the edge of the rocks, and then they have a place that they can stay dry but get hydrated. Super important to monitor these when it's really hot. You probably will need to put water in them at least every day, depending on what the temperature is where you're at. Maybe even at the end of the day too. So twice, check in the morning and then check in the evening. And here you go. Here's a bee. If you look on the right side of the bowl inside, and he's just sitting on that little piece of terracotta and drinking. This is a really important gift that you can offer to wildlife. The bees can't drink from water surface. In other words, they can't land on a surface of water and drink, because their wings will get saturated and they will not be able to fly. So this is a real gift. I hope you participate in helping our winged ones get a bit of water and stay hydrated.